This is the better part of 2 of the trees. I have 1 more to go. Big tree to go. That monster I'm going to use as a cutting block for the moment. Might even make a nice table. I can't believe my tractor even picked it up. Because it's, oh, I bet you it weighs close to 1,500 pounds. It's just wood everywhere. Got the splitter in there, ready to go. Another cutting block, because it's concrete under a lot of this, and don't dare want to touch the blade with that. And we got a lot more base pieces to deal with. It's just some monsters. I don't know what I've got myself into. They just keep going. That's the next tree coming down. So, yeah. Find it a good workout. Enjoyable. Do need some help though. Worked on this morning here, cutting the little pieces. There's the scrap tub. The splitter, ready for action. We'll start a little pile here. I want to kind of try to time it so that it's all cleared out by the time I start working. We have 2 wood burning stoves for the bunkhouse. And you got a nice stash for here. I cook my breakfast and toast and whatever else you want on there. It's going to be really cold this week, and it will eat that pile. I just love it out here, and I can sit here and burn wood. Oh, and I save $20 a day too from having to pay for the electric bill to heat this place. It's all worth it. Last but not least, I have a couple more weapons over here. 16 and a 25-inch I just bought to get through some of the big stuff. Here we go.